Be part of the fun. Visit Cagayan de Oro City.
Kati-kati na ba ang iyong mga paa? Handa nang umalis, magliwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka, sing dami ng happening.
It is more fun in Cagayan de Oro, Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso.
What do people say about Cagayan de Oro City?
Bakit palalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at
Chada.
mababaw ang ligaya. Halatang Pilipino ka, abot langit ang iyong ngiti. Lahi ng masasaya. It's more fun
Vivo.
in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Smiling, shouting, singing, drinking, working, waiting, tapping, talking, hopping, sleeping.
Haven.
More fun!
Frostbite,
Fiber, double-decker,
history,
hanging out,
biology,
moving out,
geometry,
working out,
chemistry.
dining out. More fun!
Ang dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo?
Beautiful.
Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino.
Relaxing.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Kati-kati na ba ang iyong mga paa? Handa nang umalis, magliwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka, sing dami ng
Chill.
happening. Ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso.
Inspiring.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Fun.
Dito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababaw ang ligaya. Halatang Pilipino ka, abot langit ang iyong ngiti. Lahi ng masasaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo?
Friendship.
Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino.
Breathtaking views.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Smiling,
Shouting,
singing,
drinking,
working,
waiting,
tapping,
talking,
hopping,
resting.
sleeping.
More fun!
Frostbite,
Fiber, double-decker,
history,
hanging out,
biology,
moving out,
geometry,
working out,
chemistry.
dining out. More fun!
Ridiculously good people.
Ang dami ng It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng chinelas mo.
Exquisite Cagayanang cuisine.
Baka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Nilabatanes hanggang hulo. Iba ang saya ng
Welcome everybody with an open arms.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Come and visit the City of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. A special shout out to my members and thank you for their support and being part of Architect Studio family. Walk with Ruru by Ruru Ocampo based in South Korea. Ed's Cucina Channel is a blogger based in Japan. Ang's Dave is a food blogger based in Davao. Julie Jules TV is a plantita based in Calabarzon. Taga Lopez is a blogger based in United Arab Emirates. Jules TV is a lifestyle blogger based in Hong Kong. Joy's Wonderful Kitchen is a blogger based in Japan. Wings Blog is a Bisayang Tagalog that loves Mang Tomas. Lizelle Pardo is a lifestyle blogger. My gorgeous friend Chobaki Blog is a lifestyle blogger based in Leyte. Henry Danga, a travel blogger featuring the development and progress of Metro Manila. Miss Yuri, a lifestyle blogger based in Bonifacio Global City. Master Salvero Blog, a live streamer of Pateros, Metro Manila. Ate Muchi Muchi, featuring the land of the rising sun, Japan. Banana Man Junrei Malingi, a live streamer of Iligan City. Latago Venture, a lifestyle blogger from Hong Kong. Rai Rai on the Go, a live streamer of Cagayan de Oro City. Monica Malingi, a lifestyle blogger from Republic of China. Miss Pinky Lamera, a lifestyle blogger from Middle East. Basio 5, a blogger from Singapore. Real Kill Channel, a lifestyle blogger from Hong Kong. Call me Sander, a 40 years old millennial. Miss Marbetra Land, a blogger from Bohol. Ate Agavio, a blogger from Saudi Arabia. Master Amo Bossing, Boom Borja, John Lloyd Cruz of Metro Cebu. Thank you so much for watching and more videos to come.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Caraya. Congrats Gerald.